Okay, much better. If you don't like noise in your car, stay tuned because today we're trying to fix this issue. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Tesla DIY and my name is Perry. Today we're going to be installing this Tesla Model 3 noise reduction seal. This one right here is from AY Customs on Amazon. They have a website as well. I'll put a link in the description. So in today's video, I'll be installing this and showing you how easy it is to install this, and a short comparison video between this particular brand and another brand of the same product that I happen to have a piece of. We're gonna look at the quality of each, see which one is more durable, which one is easier to install. So let's get right to it. So before the installation, I want to show you I have two of these seals here. This one on your left is AY Customs, and what I have on the right of you is from... Let me open this real quick. So this one is just some leftover that I had before. Didn't have much luck with the installation. And then this one I bought recently from Amazon after not having success with the... So right away I can feel a difference. I wish I could describe it to you, but I'll try my best. But it's a lot softer, the material from AY Customs. See, when I grab one end, and I'm just gonna make a fold of both in the same spot. As you can see, this one is a lot stretchier, and this one, it's kind of like a vacuum hose. While this is more like, I don't recall ever seeing any vacuum hose with this texture and flexibility. So, which is why I think when installing this, making turns and stuff, imagine making a sharp turn with this and it would bend and then eventually not have a perfect seal. Also, it gets ripped easily. I mean, I shouldn't say easily, but it did on me. So, which is why I'm left with an open end. With these, see how flexible these are? See the comparison? The flexibility? So this is really stretchy, while this is not. But yeah, see, one definitely requires more strength to pull because of the lack of flexibility. Wow, this feels like a rubber band, really soft, really flexible. Compare again, you know, comparing to this. See the obvious difference? I mean, I think they will all do the same thing, which is to denoise, cancel out some of the road noise, wind noise while you're driving, so you have a slightly more quiet cabin when you're driving. I don't always listen to music, especially in the morning. My morning commute, it just scared the crap out of me when I have to step into the car with the volume that I was playing from the day before. So I turn off my music usually in the morning until if it gets too quiet, then I'll turn on some music. But when you don't have music on and you want a more peace, quiet, because this is one of the reasons we bought this car for, which is to enjoy the quietness and you don't have to hear your engine or exhaust rumbling. I mean, some cars have really nice engine noise and all, and I get it. I have sports cars as well, but there are times when you just want quietness, and the wind noise, road noise is definitely not something you want in your car. So, which is why I bought these. So, enough of the comparison. So let's get right to the installation of these seals, okay? So I'm just gonna start with one corner here. This is gonna go around in a complete loop of the first section of the roof glass. Simply push them in, make them turn, push. It might help to pull it a little so the seal will stretch out and be smaller, so you could push them in easier. Push. Okay, I think I'm just gonna run a time lapse because I'm not gonna make you sit here and watch a whole 10 minutes of pushing in seals. Okay, so just like that, all the way around, pushed in, nice and even, easy to install. Took about 5 minutes. Now I'm not gonna get too technical with the review because I don't have a decibel reader or anything like that to really have a number to compare before and after the seal was installed. I'm just gonna go with what everybody else says on the internet. These definitely makes it a little bit quieter for the human ears, at least to notice the difference. In numbers, I'm not sure if you could tell the difference. Even a small decrease in the noise level when you're driving in such a car makes a big difference, I think, because the whole car is so quiet, so any noise becomes very noticeable. So hopefully you find this helpful. If you want to pick up your own noise reduction seals, make sure you check out the link in the description. It is an affiliate Amazon link, so I do get a small commission if you use my link for purchase. Anything helps grow the channel. And this is all I have for you for today. If you like this video, click that like button and leave me a comment below and let me know what you think. If you want to see more product reviews or DIY videos, make sure you subscribe to my channel because I have more stuff coming for you. And until then, I'll see you guys next time. See ya!